Hey guys, so in an effort to grow Xbox player base, Microsoft has struck another big deal, this time with Amazon, and we've got all the details here, so let's look into it. But before we look into it, let's check iniba.com. They offer games for Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo and PC, and as always they've got a ton of games on sale like Elden Ring right now. So let's actually check some of these offers. There's a base game over here, and this one is actually pretty cheap for Europe. There's a global key over here, but it's a little bit more expensive, but yeah, let's go with this one. And now all you have to do is just buy now, and as always you can add more games to your cart or just basically proceed to checkout, and that will take you over here. And all you have to do now is just select a payment of your choice, and that's it, you're done. So guys, iniba.com, you will find the link in the description of this video below. Okay guys, so let's talk about that big deal. We're talking about a big deal with Amazon this time around, and don't worry, it's not an acquisition, it's actually a collaboration with Amazon, and it has all to do with Xbox game streaming, or Xbox Cloud. I don't even know how they call it right now. I think Xbox game streaming, I think that's the new official name. It's not really new per se. But anyway, this information is a courtesy of Windows Central. This is a fresh news, and they say this: the expansion of Xbox gaming to Fire TV devices offers players another option. Microsoft surprisingly partners with Amazon to deliver Xbox Cloud Gaming. Yeah, Xbox Cloud Gaming, that's how they call it. So basically, this is basically another step to grow Xbox game streaming, right? So after allowing players to stream Xbox games on Xbox, Samsung TVs, Android devices, iOS devices, so both iPhones and iPads and tablets, there's probably one or two other devices that probably can do it now. Now you can actually do it via the Fire TV stick, which is kind of cool because, you know, it's actually now obviously we still have to wait how that actually works. You know, I mean, performance wise, is the connection is going to be good and that kind of stuff, we'll have to wait and see. But I would imagine that if you can actually run it on an Android device, and probably not a powerful one, as long as the internet is good, that should work. I would even say probably that it should be a better experience than, you know, usually on mobile, because, you know, a lot of times people use the LTE, so the mobile internet transmission, while basically, you know, having that TV, Fire Stick TV stuff connected to your TV, you're probably at home, so you're probably going to be using Wi-Fi. Well, you know, hopefully you've got a good TV, I mean, good internet at home. So, you know, basically that should allow for a much better experience. Looking at Amazon Fire TV sticks, you know, there's like a 4K version of it too. There's some cheaper ones too, but this one is like $40 right now. I've checked in Polish store like Media Expert, for example, it costs around 300 zlotys. So that's around like probably $70, I think, right? It's on sale in US right now, but I'm talking about the 4K version. Now, obviously, that doesn't mean that you will be able to stream in 4K. As far as I remember, Xbox streaming is still in 1080p, up to 60 frames per second, because it all depends on the game. I don't think all games are 60. So 1080p 60, and I mean, listen, you know, if you own it already, or maybe you are planning to buy such a, you know, device, I'm actually planning to buy one, because I've got a very old TV in one of my rooms, so that would be actually be a cool thing to have. Basically, I'm probably going to be using for like Netflix and that kind of stuff, so I may as well just use it for gaming sometimes. I've got good internet, no problem there. Wi-Fi, I think that Fire Stick, 4K Fire Stick actually supports Wi-Fi 6 now. It supports Bluetooth, so you can connect an Xbox controller. I'm not sure if it works with other controllers. So yeah, I mean, that should work no problem, right? Even over here, I think they say that, Amazon's excellent Fire TV range brings together dozens of your favorite entertainment apps into a single place. So obviously like Netflix, Hulu, probably, I don't know if Hulu, Amazon Prime, of course. You can turn any monitor or TV into a smart TV using the stick, which comes with Bluetooth capabilities and Wi-Fi 6, making it ideal for Xbox cloud gaming. It's actually interesting. They already say that on the Amazon website that it supports Xbox cloud gaming. So listen, it is a kind of big deal when it comes to Xbox game streaming. I'm not saying it's a massive deal for Xbox overall. That doesn't really change much because like if people really want to, I guess not all Samsung TVs actually support it or support Xbox game streaming. I'm not sure if there's any other TVs that do. So thinking about, like, it's actually funny because there was some news about Microsoft canceling. It's not a brand new news, but there was some information recently talking about that device that Xbox streaming device that Microsoft canceled. They canceled it like last year, maybe 2 years ago, but I think some information actually appeared recently on the internet about this device. So it was like a big box, not really big box per se. It would be much smaller than Xbox, but a console, but still bigger than a Fire Stick, for example, Fire TV Stick from Amazon. So at the end of the day, looks like Microsoft figured out that no need for a device like that if there's like millions of devices out there already, and they can just make a deal with Amazon and allow people to stream via this device, which makes sense really because I don't necessarily think that an Xbox streaming device would make a huge difference. I think it makes more sense to allow streaming on more devices via these type of deals. I guess you could argue that maybe if Xbox made a dedicated device like this would, hopefully probably offer a better performance in a sense that like less artifacting, maybe, less of an input lag and that kind of stuff. Could be, right? But like I said, we still have to wait and see how that Fire TV Stick from Amazon will work with Xbox Game Pass and xCloud. Obviously, you still have to pay for subscription. It's not like you buy the stick and you can just use it, right? Like that. You still have to pay for the subscription, but it makes sense because this Fire Stick or the Google one, there's actually a couple of other on the market. You buy these to connect to your older TVs that don't support apps anymore, and you use all kinds of streaming services, and Xbox Game Pass is one of them. Xbox Game Streaming is one of them, right? So listen, cool news. Looking forward for some testing. Maybe I'll buy one and test one myself. We'll see how that goes. So anyway, that's the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about it, and I will see you all in the next one. Take care.